awkward hand motions. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry. I have been really inactive. And today I will be making a slime video. Sorry, I'm poking this slime. Why am I saying so much? Almost said it. Okay. There's pie cleaner bits. It's okay. This is a slime that I made a long time ago. This was actually a cloud slime. I tried to make a cloud slime for the first time and then it failed. Because I wasn't using actual snow, I was using Num Num. No, I'm saying it wrong. Anyway, it's a surprise kit. What am I saying? A surprise container, and it came with this. It was the icy thing, and this snow thing grew. So I added to glue, and I had 2 of those, so I need a lot. And this isn't even the whole thing. I reuse lids. It's actually only part of it. Long story. You can check my Instagram to see the whole story. It was on my live, so hurry and go check on my Instagram story live. I fixed this on my live, a part of it, and I added clay, and it turned super smooth and nice. The snow's still falling out a bit. I think I need to add lotion. And it makes super nice sizzles. I'll be right back for lotion. It's got some lotion. Okay, let's mix it. I'm not sure if this lotion mixes well because this is a different type of lotion than I usually use. It's getting sticky, so that's a good sign. Since if you add lotion to slime, you're supposed to get sticky. It feels really weird. Snow's still coming out. I think I need to add the lotion that I usually use. I'm getting off camera. Yeah, it actually got stiffer. I shouldn't use that lotion. More snow is coming off actually. That's not a very good lotion for slime, I guess. I'll be right back to get the lotion that I usually use. I just got some lotion. Let's mix it. This should mix better considering it's the one that I usually use. Unless it doesn't work on icy type slimes with the clay in it. That's scented. Very specific. It actually worked, I think. The snow is still coming out, so I think I need to add a bit more. Maybe a lot more. I'm meeting off camera. Be right back. I'm gonna need a bit more. And it worked. At least it mixed in. If you look very closely, there's like bits of snow popping out of the slime, so I guess those stick out and get stuck to my hands. Or it could be just that my hands are really warm. My friend calls my hands a thermos. So just they're warm. A bit of lotion there. It got softer. And if you saw my live, then you probably saw that the rest of this clay is dried up. So we have to find another way to fix the other batches of slime. I'm probably doing a makeover video for this slime and the other ones too. So, say bye. Let's see if it fits in the container since I added glue and stuff. It does not fit, apparently. It inflated almost twice its size. I guess we'll just have to snip that part off. Please don't let snow fly everywhere. Okay, good. We have that. Please stick. Making super weird sound effects. It didn't work. Did it work? I don't know. I need to... I'm not going to bore you guys with this. Here's a leftover bit. So I'll have to put that in another container too. Grab the new container. It grew this much more, so I probably added that much clay or something. Now let's fix this guy. It feels so weird to touch the wet one. It smells better than the one that I added clay and stuff to. I hate slimes when you stretch it and then it snaps. The bit of slime flies in your face and then you accidentally swallow it. Has that ever happened to anyone? Or is it just me? Maybe this is that my slime are really not stretchy. It's wet. The snow is really interesting. Super stiff. I don't want it to fly in my face. Let's try using the lotion that didn't work. I don't know why I'm using this, but I want to test it on a clean slime. So, plus I don't have much of the lotion that actually works that well, so mix. I'll be right back. I just added the lotion. It got more clickier. I think it sort of got stretchier. It still rips. The snow is still coming off, so that's not good. There's still bits of snow stuck in between my fingernails, so this isn't working. I feel like I need to add shaving cream, but then my hands smell and I don't like that. So, Oh, let me try adding shampoo. It'll be scented. Interesting, considering peach and apple probably don't mix that well. I bought this to try to make no glue slime. Didn't work. These stuff always don't work for me. It's really sad. And other people are like, oh my gosh, it works so fine. It's beautiful. It's beginning to smell like apples and interesting things. The apple's really over. Oh, I think I added too much. It's getting, oh no. Oh no, I feel like I should. It's getting all over my hand. Ew. Help! I can't turn off the camera because my hands are covered. I'm just gonna crazy knead. Snow is sticking mostly to the slime instead of me, so that's pretty good. But then the slime is sticking to me, so my hands are too warm. Why? Got it off. Mostly. Not really, but mostly. Now I'm gonna add activator. Like that better. So. Some contact lens solution. Overflow. I feel like it's gonna be overactivated. Hopefully not. Nope, it's not. That's good. I'm going off camera. It's really clicky now. It feels super weird. It's a really unique texture. It's like jiggly and clicky. It has like Orby feeling in it. I mean, considering the stuff inside it, the snow is basically smashed up Orbeez. We collect all the contact solution over here. Pretty sure that was actually the slime. Clicking out. Now I'm gonna make part 2 of this video, so I hope you enjoyed part 1 and make sure to be ready for part 2.